Alex, Merry Christmas.
Wow, 3 hot dogs.
Dude, hot dog heaven.
Oh, wow.
The paper's just a half of it.
Come on, hurry, hurry.
No, I want you to open the other.
Okay. Tyler.
Tyler.
Okay. Just a little bit tight.
You can help me,
Help her
Tyler.
take the paper off, because the box is going to be a whole other battle.
Is it a pretty hefty box?
Alright, let's
Yeah,
put it on,
but
honey.
I started with a little bit of paper.
A little bit of tape.
Maybe.
You need something to cut it with?
You can't have it till you're old enough to open it.
Jeremy has a knife. Here. Jeremy, where's the knife? Or do you want to open up this side?
No, either side will do just
Oh, here it
fine.
is.
Alright, Miranda. Yeah, open it up. See what's in there.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, there you go. Oh,
Here, tip it upside down or something.
you guys, you are so weak.
What happened?
I'm gonna call your mother.
Okay.
Way better than the hot dogs.
I hope you have a real present for her. Oh my God.
Where is it?
Oh.
Where is it?
It went running behind the tree.
That's scary.
Don't look.
Who is that?
You want it to room?
No, it's not, honey.
No, we'll put it in her room.
You're mean. That scared me.
That is so cool. She saw the head, didn't know what to think. Touching it? Okay. It's nice, baby.
Don't touch it, Mom. She's all, thanks, Alice.
Love that.
Alex, tell them about how we drove an hour in the snow to go to the mall to get it.
This is premeditated.
Yeah.
Oh,
I didn't know there was such things.
I'll unwrap it and give it to somebody
Good
else
guy.
now.
Look, it says good guy.
He doesn't talk, though. I was hoping he'd do the, "You're my friend till the end."
Andy!